before we get into marking up our charts and showing you the market structure along with a couple trades that were taken using the UFX trend report based on market structure, we're going to go over Turnkey Forex. This is their main website here. You can head over to turnkeyforex.com. I'm going to have a registration link in the description here. But let's get started. This is their main page. It goes over their spreads here. They do have two accounts, an ECN account, which is why you're seeing the spread from 0.0 pips. They do charge $1 for every 100,000. They have a negative account balance. And then they also have the STP account as well. The one thing that I like with these guys is the 100% deposit bonus. We're going to be going over this in detail when we open up the account. And I want to show you the deposit because you can deposit in a lot of variety of cryptocurrencies. So we're going to be using Bitcoin to deposit, and then we're going to apply for the 100% bonus. So I'll show you guys that in a minute. Some of the trading platforms that they offer is the MT4, MT5, and the ActTrader. Okay, as previously stated, you've got the two types of accounts, the ECN and the STP. Okay, their leverage is 1 to 500. Because we're going to be going for the bonus, we're going to be doing a 1 to 200 leverage, and we'll go over the bonus stipulations here in a moment. Okay, minimum deposit is $10. If you're going to be going for the bonus like we're going to be doing, the minimum deposit is $100. Okay, and then they've got the introducing brokers and then some trading tools, a VPS if you're interested in having your platform on their servers. The other thing that I like is the same day withdrawals. So we will be doing a withdrawal as well from the account that we set up. We're going to show you a deposit, the 100% deposit bonus, and then we're going to do a small withdrawal as well and see how long it takes to get that money out of the MT4 account as well. So, okay, let's go back up to the top here. You can see their range of markets. They have Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. So a wide range of assets you can trade. Again, we've gone over the platforms there. MT4 is the one that we're going to download here, but you can use MT5 and your web terminal, mobile apps, ActTrader. As stated, the account types, if you want to do a comparison of them, you can just go to account type and click on comparison. Okay, you can scroll through this at your leisure here. You head over to turnkeyforex.com. Now the funding is where we want to go into here. We're going to click on funding bonus. And this is what we're going to be going after here. This is what I like with these guys, 100% deposit bonus. As stated, it has to be a minimum of $100. Now, because it takes time for the crypto to go through, I wouldn't just do 100. It should be about 110, just over, so that you will get the bonus. Also, this is available every time you make a fresh deposit to your MT4 account or whichever account platform you're using. Okay, a leverage on the account should not be more than 200 times. So we're going to make sure that we're only using a 200 times leverage when we open up the account. Okay, maximum is 20,000. Bonus will be withdrawn once you have lost your initial deposit. Okay, so these right here, we've got some terms and conditions. Another thing, if you deposit $200 and they give you a $200 bonus, when you withdraw part of your initial deposit that they gave you the bonus on, it's going to decrease your bonus as well. So hopefully that makes sense, but it will when we do our deposit and withdrawal. So all we're going to do is go to claim now. Okay, you're going to be taken to the sign up page. You can punch all this in, hit agree, and sign up. Now we're already got an account, so we're going to sign in and we're going to log in. Okay, now that we're in the back office here, the first thing we're going to want to do is download the platform. You're going to go down to where it says download platform, and you're going to see all the links here available for the platforms that they offer, MT4, MT5, and the ActTrader. Okay, just click on the one that you wish to use, download and install. And now we'll go back to the dashboard here, and we're going to open up a live account. The account type we're going to open is the STP, and we're going to open up, use the MT4 platform here. Okay, and our leverage, remember, is going to be 200 times. Select the currency. They offer Euro. We're going to pick the USD, and we're just going to click on New MetaTrader Account. Okay, just quickly go over that everything's right here and hit confirm. And now our account has been created. Okay, now that we've opened up the account, I'm just going to show you here over on the right hand side. You're going to click this drop down menu and you're going to choose your account. And then once this pulls up, you're going to see this. Obviously the balance is 0, equity is 0, everything's 0 here. We just opened it up and we're going to make our deposit. But first I just want to open up the Turnkey MT4 platform here. I've set it up here. I've got the UFX trend report here ready to go, and I'm also looking at the Euro CAD on the 1 hour. So this is the market structure I'm going to be showing you guys here, but first let's make a deposit of the $200 and get our deposit bonus. But I just wanted to quickly show you here the balance is 0, equity is 0, and free margin is 0. We will come back to here, mark up the charts, and I'll show you the market structure and how I'm going to use the UFX trend report to place the trades for me. Okay. Back at the Turnkey back office here, we're going to go to deposit funds. Now we can deposit by cryptos. These are all the different cryptos you can deposit by. Obviously we're going to be staying with Bitcoin. That is the mostly used one. But if you've got money in other things, then you can simply transfer it into your Turnkey Forex account. Okay, we're going to hit proceed. We're going to do the trading ID. Pick our account, and you can see that the current balance is 0, and we're just going to hit proceed. Okay, this is what we're going to deposit here. It's given us our Bitcoin address. I'm just going to put the video on pause here, and I'm going to go and make the deposit right now. Okay, so it's been just under a half an hour and the deposit has gone through. You can see here the balance is 263 cents. Now we're going to go over into Turnkey here. MT4 platform that I've got opened, and you can see that the balance is at $200.63 here. Our free margin is the same amount right now. So let's go back, and we haven't been given our bonus yet. What we need to do now is go into the bonus tab. Okay, and you're going to go bonus request. Okay, you're going to select your trading ID. That is your account number. Okay, and it's going to pull up the equity that we deposited here. Okay, you can see it's $200.63. Leverage is 200, which is what's required here. The allowed bonus is 263. So we're going to type in the amount here. Okay, I've read and understood the terms and conditions, and proceed. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys here, the bonus has gone through now. There's no more allowed bonus. They have increased their bonus from 100% to 250%. Okay, so obviously the equity is showing 701.63. Now this isn't my money. This is $500 is their money that they're allowing me to trade with. So the original 263 cents is the money that I deposited. So based on the 250% bonus, it puts it up to 701. So we'll just open up the Turnkey Forex here. MT4 platform, and you can see that the balance is $263. This is the money I put into it. We're credited $501, and the equity is showing at $701, which gives us more leverage on this account. Okay, guys, I just want to go over reading market structure and marking up your charts. An easy, very simple method for doing this. I'm using the zigzag here. You can see this red line. If you go over to your navigation pane and you just go to the bottom of your indicators, you just hit on zigzag, drag and drop, and leave it the same here for settings. Okay, I've also got the big arrow on here, and that's going to show this arrow here. For highs and lows, I'm using it, and this is actually part of the arrow strategy, so you guys will have this indicator if you have the indicator package. So I've just put that on the chart here, and I've marked up my low. Once I've started seeing these big arrows, I've marked up the low, and then I just wait for market structure here. We've got a lower high created, and you can see right here, this is the previous high point. So we've got a lower high, and then we had this point created as we've closed above this structure here. This lower high, we opened and closed on this candle above this lower high here, this point. Okay, and that's created a higher low. And this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the low, and then a lower high, and then we've pulled back, and then we've opened and closed a candle above this break. Okay, and all I did was put the trend report EA on, looking to trade buys. I've got the indicator on, and I've got the trading high and low candle on. So we came up, we had a pullback, and I've got in on this candle right here. The high was higher, and the higher low. Took the entry, got my stop loss in place. We've hit the break even point here, the first target. I'm targeting a 2-to-1, and you can see we're up 52 points. Okay, this is the CAD yen on the 1 hour chart. And I had it on here. I'll show you the pound Aussie. You can see here I've marked it up. We've got the high. And then we had a higher low created here, and then a lower high. And we've opened and closed right here on this candle, breaking this higher low. I put the EA on this. Obviously we didn't take a trade. It hasn't given us a trade, a nice entry yet. I do have it on this pullback here to go short down into this area. So we'll see if we get a trade. If not, and it starts dancing up around the previous lower high, then I'll probably exit. And also the time of day here, it is New York session, so I might just close this out. Maybe we're just going to go sideways here, and then I'll see what it does up in this area out here when we get into the Asian session here. So I might take the EA off of this one here and just wait and see what it does. But we also have the USD CAD, and you can see we're about to hit our target too. We came close to hitting it, but same thing. I can mark this up. I don't have it marked up, but let's just see how I do this when I do mark it up. You can see we've got the high. Okay, and then I just copy this. And we've got a higher low. And that is right there. You can see this point was created, and it's higher than this point right here. Okay, and then we've got a lower high. Okay, we closed right here, and we've actually created two other points. We've got a lower low, and a lower high, and you can see if I wasn't already in a trade here on the close of this candle here, I could be putting the EA back on, looking for another trade. coming up into this area and then looking to go short again. Okay. So this is how you can read the market structure using zigzag and then trading it without having to sit at your computer. Put this on auto trade. You can see we're up 60 pips here on the USD CAD. This is the 1 hour chart, and it's about to hit our target too. And down in this area here, I could actually probably have gone for a 3-to-1 target because we might hit this area right here, which was a previous break and a nice rally up to it. So anyways, I like the 2-to-1 here, so we're going to stick with it, about 62, 63 pips, and we'll talk to you guys later.